Hello everyone. When talking about supercars, two brands that immediately come to mind are Lamborghini and Ferrari. These two Italian car manufacturers have long competed in creating the fastest, most sophisticated and most exotic cars in the world. This time, we will compare the two latest models from the two brands, Lamborghini Revuelto and Ferrari SF90, so let's go. The Lamborghini Revuelto features a very aggressive and futuristic design, in keeping with Lamborghini's famous tradition of sharp lines and aerodynamics. The Revuelto is equipped with the Y-shaped LED lights that are characteristic of the latest Lamborghinis, as well as bodywork designed to provide optimal downforce at high speeds. Carbon fiber material is widely used to ensure strength while reducing the weight of the car. The Ferrari SF90, on the other hand, combines elegance and aggressiveness in its design. With smoother lines than the Lamborghini, the SF90 still displays a sporty and aerodynamic impression. Ferrari used many design elements from their Formula One experience, including advanced air vents and a large rear diffuser to improve aerodynamic performance. The SF90 also uses carbon fiber to reduce weight and increase structural rigidity. The Lamborghini Revuelto is equipped with a 6.5-liter V12 engine capable of producing around 825 horsepower. Coupled with hybrid technology which provides additional electric power, the total power output reaches more than 1.5 horsepower with a torque of 1.62 Nm. This Lamborghini Revuelto weighs 1.7 tons. It's only natural that this electric car is priced at €4 million. The Ferrari SF90 offers very advanced technology and has a combustion engine with a total output of 1000 HP and a torque of 800 Nm. The weight itself is not too heavy at only 1.5 tons. The price itself is £3 million. Wow!